Okay, so today we're gonna make 3 flavored fish fillets. So what we're gonna need is fresh sea bass fish fillet. So this is about 800 grams of fish fillet marinated with half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of coarse ground black pepper, and half a teaspoon of cumin powder. And here we have some chopped chives for garnishing, and here we have some finely chopped onions. This would be about half a large onion, finely chopped. And here is a mixture of 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons of tamarind extract. And here we have 1 tablespoon of sugar, and here are 2 large chilies finely sliced. And here we have a batter to fry the fish fillet. This batter is made out of half a cup of all-purpose flour and half a cup of tapioca starch mixed together, and half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, so the next step is to fry the fish fillets. So what we have here is about 6 tablespoons of oil to deep fry the fish fillet. So the fish fillet will be mixed into a rather thin batter that you can still see the fish and its skin. Okay, so now we insert the fish. Make sure you do not crowd the frying pan. So this fish will need to fry for about 2 minutes each sides until they are golden brown. Right, so now you can see it has turned golden brown, so we can just remove them from the hot oil and keep them aside until we are ready to stir fry them in the 3 flavored sauce. Okay, so as you can see, this is our fried fish fillet, so we need to keep them aside. So now the next step is to making the sauce. Okay, so to make the sauce, we need to heat up 1 tablespoon of oil, okay, to stir fry these onions. You just need to stir fry them until they are slightly softened. And now the next thing to insert is the red chilies. Stir fry them until they are slightly softened. Okay, once they are slightly softened, we can insert the tamarind extract, fish sauce, and light soy sauce. Give it a good stir. So now we leave it to simmer for about 5 minutes before we put in the fish to stir fry it together. Right, so now that the sauce has been simmering for 5 minutes, now we can insert our sugar. So here's the sugar. Give it a good stir. So you can smell that it is slightly spicy, sweet, and sourish. So this is our 3 flavored fish fillet sauce. So now we can insert our fish fillet. So now we just have to mix them, make sure that they are all coated with the sauce. So now we have to turn off the stove and just garnish them with a bit of chopped chives. Alright, so here is our 3 flavored fish fillet ready to be served with some hot rice. Enjoy!